If you want to get in the mood, taste this food. Let me try it. Look at this. I can't speak now. The fact of the matter is, they are crispy on the outside and, soft on the inside. They look something really hard, like some rocks. It's got a lot of sesame seed. Thing is that I'm not sure what they are called. So you'll have to tell me what the name of this product is. Homemade and of the highest grade. Malcolm Malik, see you on the next adventure.